In this video, we will show you how to make smart lighting using the IQRF wireless network and how to control the lights from the gateway. We will create a locally autonomous network consisting of lights and IoT gateway with software. If necessary, you can also connect the gateway to any cloud service. We will connect IQRF controllers to lights. An IQRF controller for street lighting with a Zaga Onima socket or an IQRF lighting bridge for indoor or emergency lighting. We offer these controllers for sale. We set a secure password for network devices on the gateway and transfer it securely to the controllers using NFC. Then we start the Autonetwork function from the gateway and automatically connect the lights to the network. We will use the IQRF IoT gateway as the control unit. You can also buy this industrial gateway from us. We will show you the basic functions of the control interface. We connect via network using the IP address of the web interface of the gateway. Here we see the basic management functions. Click on the Refresh Table button to update the status of individual network members. At the moment we have no bonded nodes in our network. No lights are connected. We can set the communication channel of the network and its access password, with which the individual members are then connected to the network. We save the password into the network coordinator, which is part of the gateway, by clicking the Set button. Here we can see also a button to activate IQRF, Start Autonetwork and Discovery. We can select one member of the network and use the LED on the controller to indicate it or unbond it from the network. Or we can disconnect the entire network using Clear All Bonds. Let's show how to use the IQRF tool to transfer the password to the controllers using NFC. In order to connect IQRF to the network, it must be in deactivated state. We have already explained this in the video above, which will be linked at the end of this video as well. Press the button to see if the IQRF is ready to connect to the network. Then we activate it. We start the activation process at the gateway and press the button on IQRF. The IQRF must be within the radio range of the gateway. We can see a successful connection of the IQRF on its LED indication, and we also see the information on the gateway. Now we transfer the password using NFC to the controllers. We press the button and wait for communication to successfully finish. If we haven't already done so, we will connect the controllers to the lights. We will then automatically connect lights to the IQRF wireless network. If some lights are not powered, they will not be connected during the Autonetwork process. Let's start Autonetwork at the gateway. In several waves, the search for network members which share the correct access password will take place. In our case, only one light will be connected, which is powered. Automatic discovery of the physical topology of the network will also take place. You can start it later again manually. Let's show the basic controls of the lights. On the Lighting Control tab, you can turn all the selected lights off and on or change the lighting intensity. You can set an automatic control of lights using several timers. In the demo, you can see a gradual increase in the intensity of the light up to 100%. Contact us for more information or get a quote.